Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to find Discord server. In order to find Discord server, you need to follow the simple steps. So what next you want to do is to find the Discord server, you can use these features. Now you could use the Discover search bar to type in the keyword and see a list of matching server. You can also use the search function to find server within the specific community friends only server as well. Now if you want to go with the discover tab, then at the bottom you could find this discover thing. You could go ahead and look for it. You could type in on the search box as mentioned earlier. Next thing what you can also do is you could open the Discord and then you could click the plus icon in the left hand side bar of your screen. You could see this is the one. Now here you could go and create your own server. So you could then go with the gaming or maybe school club, study group, whatever. Select that. And you could join this selected server and paste in the invite link and hit the join button. This way you'll be able to find Discord server. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.